Alright guys, so I'm back for another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can download a Facebook live video on HD. So I tried the old method on how you can download the HD file, but it doesn't work. I just found out this morning. So if you download the video, it will just download as SD quality or a low quality one. So go to Google. So first go to Google and search fbdownloader.io and choose the second one, the fbdownloader.io. And after that, go to this link, copy this link and paste it in here. Click download. And if you click this download in HD, it will also download as SD quality. So that's not the way on how you can download it as it's HD quality. So click here and right click, save video as, and save it. So that's the way on how you can download an HD video quality. So as you can see, it has a bigger size because it's HD, and the others has smaller size, it's just 200 MB. So if we take a look at those two, as you can see, it's way more smaller. This is the SD quality and this is the HD quality. It's bigger and it's much more detailed. So that's how you can download a Facebook live video on HD. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button, and the bell button. Thank you for watching. Until next time.